Hi, hi everybody and Sister Osman. This is Jose Alvarenga. Today I will show you how my project went, and I already enjoyed this course. And I will start with the purpose of this slide is to show how we went or how I went through the 100 challenge um, process, and the purpose is to rise up to $20 of startup funding and generate 100 of profit. And let me check. Okay, the person who I choose to help, whose name is Nira Veronica. She's from El Salvador. I'm from El Salvador too, so I consider that I should help her. I send the payment to her through Kiva. That's $46. This is part of what I did. I did cookies. That's my stand, my lemonade stand. That's what it was called. But actually, I did cookies. I cooked some cookies. I prepared and mixed the powder and the sugar glass, the chocolate, and I packed them and I wrapped them and I sold them. I put them in the bakery. That's a home bakery baker. That's how I cooked them. I had a mold, a hard mold, some molds as well to put the cookies to the bakery, to the baker, to the kitchen. That's me putting the chocolate. That's how the cookies look like before the process of packaging. That's the packaging that I have in between of the two pictures. That's how they look like after they are cooked through the bakery, and there is chocolate inside. As you see, I was putting some chocolates. I was working on it, and that's how they look like when they are packed. I put some sugar glass on every cookie. Over there you see chocolate, and I have some friends who were helping me, and that's me having this ready. I have some buyers, some people who I sell to. They purchased some cookies to me, some sales that I did, and I have some videos that I would like to show of the process of the manufacture process and selling. And here we go. Alright, it was me cooking the putting the powder, as you heard on every cookie. That's me again. That's unpackaging them. Alright, it was. I have some friends who were helping me to prepare the cookies. Alright, it was my first sale. Let's see that. Okay, he was a friend of mine. He will have more children's buying my cookies, so I did a big deal. Okay, it was me again, and this is the last video I will show you. Okay, thank you for watching this presentation. I really appreciate that, and hope everybody did a good job. See you later, everybody.